Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Thanks for watching weatherweb.net. It is Thursday, the 4th of July. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget that the site here and the videos are enabled to be recorded and kept free of charge for you because of the adverts that are around the screen. When you come back and use the site, whether that's the charts or the adverts or whatever, it generates revenue, which means that we keep it all free of charge and can add new products all the time. So thanks for doing that. Thanks for your continued support. Now after today, high pressure is about to get established, and you can see how temperatures here are going to be rising over the coming days. This is Sunday, although then you see how they take a little bit of a dip into next week. This is as for London, but then hold fairly steady. The reason for the dip across the south of the country is because of a northeasterly wind setting in, but also notice very little in the way of rainfall, just starting to pick up on one or two showers possibly during the latter part of the period, but that would be the week after next. Essentially, the story is a dry and a warm one. I can't emphasise enough the dry. I mean, look at this. This is total rainfall ending at the close of play on Tuesday. And, no, it's not, end of play on Monday. And this rainfall basically is what's going to occur during the next few hours, where we see most of it affecting western parts of Scotland. Very little look across the south of the UK. A little bit across northwest England from the front that goes through today. But essentially, you can see how little rain there is going to be. And I think very little rain, really, for just about everyone through next week, apart from the far north and the west of Scotland, where there could be a little bit of drizzle at times. So it's a dry one ahead. Once we've got rid of this front towards the east today, I think the high pressure here is going to be building northeastward, bringing plenty of dry conditions. Now, temperature is going to be interesting. You'll hear much talk of heat waves and hot weather, but actually I don't think it's going to be that hot. It is going to be very warm, but I think hot really is pushing it far too much. These are the top temperatures for today. We're ranging from around a 16 in northern Scotland, could just get a 23 or 24 in sunshine across central parts of England. Then for Friday, got high pressure across the south of the country, lots of sunshine for all of us, a little bit of low cloud affecting northern and western Scotland. And temperatures lifting up to 26 degrees across southern parts of England, so very warm there. More generally, in Scotland, around the 18 to 20 mark. As we head in towards Saturday, so we're going to find high pressure extending through the country again. And that's really good news because, as I've been tweeting, it's the 150th anniversary of Borth Station. And we've got a gala on Saturday afternoon from midday until bedtime with fun, games and barbecues. Can you believe it? So really pleased about that one. Looks like it is going to be dry and sunny in Western Wales. Dry and sunny across most parts of the country too. Sorry, just to bring my personal life into this, but you just thought I'd worth mentioning it. I hope you're going to have a good weekend as well. But anyway, lots of sunshine around, and looks as if it's going to be dry as well. This front coming into western Scotland and the west of Ireland will bring some cloud and some spots of rain there, but generally it's a warm day for everyone. Temperatures 27, 28 across central parts of England and Wales, a little bit cooler the further north and west you go. On to Sunday now, high pressure still in control of things on Sunday, starting to pick up more of a northeasterly flow across England and Wales, which will just take the edge off the temperatures a bit. This old front through Scotland and Northern Ireland bringing some cloud and some one or two light outbreaks of rain here, but for most it's another fine day with plenty of sunshine. I think more in the way of cloud for northern parts of England as that front just slips its way southwards. Wind should be light and warm again, 27 degrees across England and parts of Wales. I think probably around a 20 in that cloud across Scotland. And then on to Monday, the high builds a little bit further north. As it does so, look, this east-northeasterly breeze increases across southern coasts. That's going to be making things breezy, particularly southern counties of England and through the Channel. Those of you sailing, that's an important one because it could go into northeasterly at 6s, perhaps even locally 7s offshore. I think for northern and western Scotland, a little bit of rain here, but generally it's dry for everyone again. Lots of sunshine around, maybe a little bit of low cloud affecting northern England, but generally lots of sunshine around and dry once again. Temperatures for Monday, 27s, 28s, could even nudge a 29 across parts of Cheshire. I think nearest sort of 2021s across Scotland, but look at these sort of temperatures across Southern Ireland. Now there, it is hot, 28, 29 degrees. And then heading into Monday, the high is still with us. Got this increased eastern northeasterly flow through the Channel and across southern counties of England again. But I think for most other places, it looks like being a dry, fine, sunny day. Best of the sunshine in the west, warmest temperatures in the west as well, and dry for everyone. And I think we need to start looking at temperatures, probably getting up to around 28 across western parts of Wales, 23 in eastern parts of England, around a 23 for northern Scotland too. So all in all, a fine day to come. And we've been talking about the dry weather. Well, just look at this. This is the CFS forecast for week 3 ending the 23rd of July. And still got this ridge look down here. Across the southern parts of the country. I think with normal heights across Scotland, here we'll probably find some rain just drifting in from time to time, perhaps affecting Northern Ireland, perhaps Northern England too. But the CFS wants to keep the south generally dry. And if we look at week 4, similar sort of pattern. This is up to the 30th of July, and look, still got above normal heights. So what we would probably find is the Azores high down here, and the ridge probably doing something of that sort of order, with fronts still able to brush through northern and western Scotland, but for most of the country, if this came true, would be dry still. So it could be that we're in for a prolonged period of dry weather now, and I know that pretty soon we'll be asking, where's the rain? But for now, I'll leave you with that. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net, and whatever you're doing, keep the sun shining. Don't forget to come back to the site regularly, and you can follow us on Twitter @WeatherSchool. Thanks for watching, keep the sun shining, and bye for now.